We're living in the future. Self-driving cars, interplanetary travel, neural linking, artificial intelligence, gene editing. Things we only dreamed were possible are now a reality. At Jeunesse, the global leader in youth-driven products, we asked ourselves, what's the future of Generation Young? What's the next breakthrough to help each of us live a remarkable health span? We sought the expertise of Dr. Vincent Giampapa to help those who are looking for a remarkable health span, youthful energy, a sharper mind, and to live well. The result, Life Nmn. You have one life. Live it well.
Your health span, that is a quality of time that you have as you age, is directly related to the amount of NAD that our cells produce. NAD levels decline up to 50% between the ages of 40 and 60. The core piece of information to understand is NMN is the direct precursor to NAD to produce the cellular energy that we require to age optimally as the years go by.
The Life Nmn revolutionary formula features the Youthful Complex 6, a proprietary blend of 6 cutting-edge and well-researched ingredients that includes NMN and so much more.
We've come up with 6 key ingredients, including NMN, and each one of them have the specific effect. And I'd like to talk about right now the core ingredient NMN, or beta-nicotinamide mononucleotide. As NMN enters the cell directly, it then gets converted to NAD inside our little energy factories called mitochondria. So it's really a unique compound. And NMN is really the core compound to help support our levels of NAD inside the cell. So let's take a look at how these other ingredients that have been put in the formula work in synergy with each other. The first one we're talking about here is PQQ, or pyrroloquinolone quinone. So PQQ has been documented in research to help support mitochondria activity, the function of mitochondria that make ATP. Pterostilbene. The pterostilbene is an antioxidant similar to resveratrol. It's mainly a natural compound found in berries, particularly blueberries. N-extra is the concentrated form of this alpina galanga, which supports mental alertness and generally helps with energy levels inside the cell. L-citrulline. Emerging science has shown that L-citrulline is converted into another amino acid, L-arginine, which then the body could convert into nitric oxide. BioPerine is a black pepper extract that has been used for a very long time to help with absorption. So Youthful Complex 6 was designed with ingredients that, along with NMN, help produce more energy at the cellular level, ingredients that help with mental focus and general energy, and ingredients that help with absorption and actually can help with specific activity within the cell. You know, we only have one life, so the secret is to live it as well as possible, and this is the science that can help us accomplish that.
Take Life Nmn to reclaim that youthful feeling, enthusiasm for life, and the feeling of confidence that you're maximizing your healthy years, so every day is lived well.